Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthful Habits. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more delicious and healthy recipes. Today, we're diving into a topic perfect for those of you looking to boost your breakfast game without using eggs. That's right, we're talking about no eggs, no problem, 8 protein-packed breakfast to kick off your day. So, let's get started. 1. Breakfast smoothie bowl. First up, we have a delicious breakfast smoothie bowl. Start with a frozen banana, a scoop of your favorite protein powder, a tablespoon of nut butter, and a splash of almond milk. Blend it all together until smooth. Pour it into a bowl and top it with your favorite fruits, nuts, and seeds. This meal is not only refreshing, but also packed with protein. 2. Greek yogurt parfait. Next on our list is a Greek yogurt parfait. Greek yogurt is a powerhouse of protein. Layer it with fresh berries, granola, and a drizzle of honey. You can also add chia seeds for an extra protein boost. This breakfast is super easy to prepare and will keep you full for hours. 3. Quinoa breakfast bowl. Moving on, we have a quinoa breakfast bowl. Cook some quinoa and let it cool. Mix it with almond milk, a tablespoon of maple syrup, and your choice of fruit. Quinoa is a complete protein, making this dish both nutritious and satisfying. Top it off with some nuts for added crunch. 4. Peanut butter. Overnight oats. Now, let's talk about overnight oats. Combine rolled oats, almond milk, a tablespoon of peanut butter, and a dash of cinnamon in a jar. Stir well and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, just grab it and go. This breakfast is creamy, filling, and packed with protein. 5. Tofu Scramble. Next, we're making a tofu scramble. Crumble firm tofu in a pan and saute it with your favorite veggies like bell peppers, onions, and spinach. Add a pinch of turmeric for color and flavor. Tofu is an excellent source of plant-based protein, making this scramble a fantastic alternative to eggs. 6. Cottage cheese bowl. Don't forget about cottage cheese. You can create a savory or sweet cottage cheese bowl. For a sweet version, top it with pineapple or peaches and a sprinkle of cinnamon. For savory, add cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and a dash of salt and pepper. Cottage cheese is rich in protein and super versatile. 7. Protein pancakes. Who doesn't love pancakes? For our next recipe, we'll whip up some protein pancakes. Use a mix of oat flour, protein powder, mashed bananas, and almond milk. Cook them in a skillet until golden brown. Serve with your favorite toppings like Greek yogurt or fresh fruit. These pancakes are fluffy and loaded with protein. 8. Chia seed pudding. Last but not least, let's make chia seed pudding. Mix chia seeds with almond milk and a sweetener of your choice. Let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, top it with fruits, nuts, or granola. Chia seeds are packed with protein and fiber, making this a nutritious breakfast option. And there you have it. 8 protein-packed breakfasts that are egg-free, but still delicious and satisfying. Which one are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.